Alright, we're back at it again, guys. I cheated a little. Went and got a battery the other day for it. Put the battery in it and got her to spin over, and she started. Um, so now my ignition is locked because I didn't have keys with the car um, when I bought it. So now I'm replacing the ignition switch in it. If I get my socket to go right, we'll be all right. I'm in it. Get the broken ratchet. These little quarter-inch ratchets don't last long. When I had my small engine repair shop, I went through so many of these little ratchets. It's unreal. But I decided to put fuel in the gas tank. So I was gonna try and get her to run off of its own fuel, own fuel system. Yeah, that gas is all over the ground. Uh, Apparently the bottom of my fuel tank is rusted. So I got on a couple of websites and found fuel tanks. I'll have to wait till I get a little bit more money saved up to get a fuel tank. Maybe like $112 plus shipping for a G body tank, which ain't a bad price. And decided I would get on Marketplace and look for a boat tank just so I can run some fuel to it and get her running good. And found a brand new fuel tank for this car on Marketplace for $20. So needless to say, that is in my little Kia right now. Waiting for me to at least get this thing fired up to where I can back it up into the garage where I've got concrete. So I gotta put it on jack stands and everything to get underneath there. And I am not getting under a car on jack stands in the dirt. And I've got also, I want to go ahead and probably replace the fuel sending unit just so everything is new back in the tank. Hopefully we don't have any problems as far as the fuel lines, but no guarantees of that either. Alright, so let's see. Any more screws? No. No more screws. What did I do with that? Oh, so, where is it? You just stuck it there. What? There ain't no more screws holding you. Oh, I heard something didn't sound healthy. Hopefully the screws will hold her in place for me. And that's going to be a little bit of a booger to get out too. And we got this little clip here. Try to get out of there without losing. Yeah, I broke that little piece there. That's alright. I probably got some glue. I could fix that. Alright, let's see. Let me go get my pliers. I need to get this wire off of here so I can get the horn button out of the way. And get this clip out of here. And from there, we will take the bolts off. I bought a steering wheel puller and the locking mechanism puller all-in-one kit. Got that off the Jungle website. So we're gonna put it to the test today. Give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my pliers and see if I can't find me one of my little hooks. I'm back. I made it back in one piece. Imagine that. Let's see here. There we go. That's the little lock that goes on over the bolt for the steering wheel. I guess so that bolt don't come loose on you while you're driving. That would be kind of dangerous. Let's see there. There we go. Set up here. Alright, so we got that. Alright, and this is the wire for the horn. Don't want to lose anything off of there. We need that. Alright, now. I don't even know if the horn works in this thing. I haven't tried it. Let's see. That should be 3/4 or 5/16. Let's go get a socket. Get that. Just in case. Ooh, got that one. Ooh, got that one. That one's not gonna work either. What would that be? That would be. Oh, two of them fit off the loop. that old nut off right there. On there, okay. Now, yep, G's stuck on there, that's for sure. All right. All right, so this bolt. Well, that one there thread's in there. Which should mean this one threads in on this side. No. Yep, that one threads in on that side. Let's set G down here. Ooh. Bring him way down there. All right. This bolt going in there. Well, don't you go in there like that. All right. Now, I think that's a 1/2 inch. So let me go get a 1/2 inch socket. Ooh, it was a 1/2 inch. So, what do you do? There we go. Takes a little work, just a little bump. Get this out of there. And for a second, I was worried, thought maybe this thing stripped out on me already, you know, just from the Jungle website. But no, it broke it loose. Put these back in here where they belong. Try to get better about putting my tools where they belong when I'm done with them. And there goes the steering wheel. Now, here, how's that going to come off? Oh, we got to take this off too. I don't know if that's a Phillips screwdriver or a Torx bit. I hope it's a Phillips. looky there. Alright. That's the hazard button. It is now off. Put that up there on the dash. Figure out how to get this to. You don't get high pressure from that, I don't think. Is that ring on there like that? Let's see. Holding you in there, little buddy. I'm pretty sure. That one don't fit. This one fit. This nut, which I hope. So, where is that? Plastic. So, let me go get a wrench to fit this puppy here. I'll be right back again. Nope, it is not. Alright, be right back again. Alright. Nice to have all my tools I needed all at one time, wouldn't it? Didn't have my 7/8 wrench out here. get that little pin out of there. Hmm. Get that cover. Work this way around where I can see it off the top. See what I'm doing here. I got that loose. Hmm. That little retaining clip right there is a booger. I need to get another. Let me see if I've got another one of these little hooks here. I call them O-ring hooks. That's what you can get O-rings out. I'll be right back again. I got nothing to grab a hold of now. Alright, found two of them. I think that one I got there, the tip is a little worn out on it. I think that might be giving me some